What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Mama from Barber, and I hope everyone is safe. So today we got Matej from Czechia, and I'm just giving him a fade before going back to his home country. So I'm just gonna make him sharp and crisp. And so let's get started. And first thing first, what I always do is I'm using number 3 guard level all the way open, and I'm just aligning the hair with the same length and building a foundation for the haircut. Okay, so I'm gonna create my initial guideline with no guard level all the way close, and I drop that guideline a little bit to the back so that it's kind of like a drop fade. So after this process, I take off the bulk of hair underneath the guideline using no guard level all the way close, and also trimmer, and just clean out that bottom. Okay, so open up the lever all the way, and I'm gonna create my second guideline. And this I'm trying to maintain the same length throughout the hair, so that it's gonna create a clean looks at the end. Alright, so we see like a dark line right there, right? So I'm gonna close up the lever all the way, and this is basically there to just erase that line. And as I'm approaching to the second guideline, I'm open up the lever halfway so that it doesn't create a harsh guideline from flicking out motion, but rather it's fading the first guideline into the second guideline. Okay, so switch your guard to number 1 guard level all the way open, and go ahead and create your third guideline. And this time also go up on about an inch so that you can see there's some like a band of hair. Later we'll be flicking out the line to blend in with the second guideline and the third guideline. So just go up and make sure to have consistent length throughout the hair as well. Okay, so I'm gonna erase the line using 0.5 guard, and I'm using the corner of blade to flick out the line. And then just like before, as I'm going up, I'm opening up the lever so it can have greater transition. go ahead and then flick out that third guideline using number 2 guard level all the way close. This time I'm scooping up the hair so it doesn't create harsh guideline, but rather it's just blending into the hair on top. If you have comments or suggestions, or even idea for my future videos, or even the things that you want to ask me about, it doesn't have to be haircut related, it could just be about myself. Please leave a comment down below. I'll be willing to answer as much as possible. Also check out my Instagram page. I'll be uploading more of the haircut pictures, and maybe soon I want to also upload some like pranks or like do comedy stuff, because you know that's my base, that's who I am. You know, I was originally prankster. I used to upload pranks on YouTube. That's how I started YouTube before this channel, so I want to also get back into that. But yeah, so if you have anything at all, just leave a comment and just let me know. Like, don't feel free to message me on Instagram or send me an email, whatever. Okay, so I'm using 1.5 guard to kind of like connect the longer part and the short part together, so it's just like a bridge into both sides. This is actually my favorite part of the haircut, because this is when 2 dots are connected and kind of like the fade is basically completed. So because clippers are not perfect and it doesn't cut hair perfectly, so it leaves some dark spot or like the lines in the space between the guidelines. So I'm using number 1 guard level all the way open to kind of like have the detail work. This is super important so it doesn't leave like patchy hair at the end. So I'm doing very gently using the corner of my blade. This is the final work of the haircut. I'm using number 3 guard level all the way close to just shape up. I'm going back and forth to shape up the overall look. Okay, I'm using my trimmer and I'm using the corner of my trimmer blade to shape up that his C cut and just define the hairline. Alright YouTube, this is a cut. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. Give me your opinion, give me your feedback, and I want to know what you guys think. And I'll see you pretty soon. Peace.